Hello and welcome. Thanks so much for staying tuned again. Now, in the previous class, we've delved into solving logarithmic equations in logarithm. Now, we're going to continue with this set of questions we have here already. We've already done this in the last video, so we'll be going into this in this. Now, I said you could try your hands on this if you didn't, this. If you got the answer, would know, just put it on the comment section. So we'll be going on this quickly, but won't stay long. Now, like I said previously, just take a note, from this we'll be moving, it would naturally flow into a quadratic equation. So we've also treated that in the previous video where I did exponential equation. I would not stay long in explaining it. We'll just go faster. All you need to do is just to check the previous video so you see how we solved it. So we'll move a bit faster. However, I'm going to cut it back. I'm going to go a bit slower. Now, let's see what we'll do. We have this, the question number 2. We have the log of this x minus 3x plus 12 is equals to 1 in base 10. Now, it is from the original law that if log in base a of b is equals to c, what that means is this: by defining logarithm, it means the log of a number to a particular base. So the log of b to a particular base b is a number of times a will be raised. In other words, just assume a pushed c up, and so c became the exponent or the power. So just make it as a. So this is just it. Simple. Then, so the log of a number to a particular base is the number of times the base will be raised to give the number. So this is just it. That's all. So let's come here. The same thing will apply here. So this, like this, moves this up. So it's going to become 10 raised to the power of 1 is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 12. So we continue solving. So what is 10 raised to the power of 1? 10 raised to the power of 1 means just write 10 once. 10 written once is just 10. So that's all. So you have it as 10. So you have x squared minus 3x plus 12 is equals to 10. So we're going to move forward. If this cross equal sign and comes here, this is a positive sign, it becomes minus. Actually, like I've said in previous videos, it's actually additive inverse that was done. So of this cross equal sign becomes minus 10 is equals to, what remains here is 0. So what do we have? Now let's continue up. So this is going to be, let's erase this. So this is going to be x squared minus 3x, and then 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is what? 2. So 12 minus 10 is plus 2 is equals to 0. 12 minus 10 is 2. So let's continue. Now in this place, this is now the quadratic equation. Now see, we started from a logarithmic equation to the quadratic equation. So let's move on. Now you pick this place and this place and ask yourself, what two values would I multiply to give me plus 2? Now understand that you need to have consideration for the signs, minus and this. When I add them or minus, they will give me minus 3x. When I multiply them, they will give me 2. Now without much ado, I already know it. Now we will not go into this. We've done that previously in our previous videos in exponential equations, so you want to go over and see I did that. So what we're going to do is that from here I already know that it's usually 2 times 1 that will give me 2, and it's normally 2 plus 1 that will give me 3. So the plus, so it's going to actually be addition. So but what combination of plus minus or minus plus or minus minus of plus plus will give me these values of minus 3 and plus 2. So let's see, if I have, let's say I have plus 2 minus 1, minus times plus is minus, no, it won't give me minus. So this combination, this minus and this one is wrong. Let me try this, minus and plus, minus times, okay, sorry, minus times plus, minus times plus will give me minus. So but this is plus, so this won't give me, this one is wrong. So let's see, minus 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 minus, minus times minus will give me plus, okay, plus 2, it's okay. Now let's see if it's going to help me here. Minus 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 2 minus 1, is it going to give me minus 3? Let's see. Owing, I've said that let minus means owing and let plus means paying or having. Now I'm owing Jim $3 and I'm owing Roberts $1. Owing $2, $1. Question number 1, am I still owing? Yes. How much am I still owing? Yes. I'll put a minus sign here. How much am I owing? Owing $2, owing $1. Together I'm owing $3. So minus 3. So minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3. So does it apply? Yes. This is minus 3 and plus 2. So this combination is actually correct. So once I've got this, I know this will be correct. So this is the one that will be correct. You know, we need to do this because this is going to be wrong. So I have minus. So the combination is going to be minus 2 and minus 1. So let's go. Let's do this. So let's go. So this is going to be, now we're going to have an x on it, x and x here. So what do we have? We have x squared minus, so this 2 will represent this value, and this would represent this. Now it's going to be minus 2x minus 1x. This one stays intact. The plus is here and 2 is here. Is equal to 0. So let's go. What we do next is that we pick them. And I ask myself, what is here? Okay, let's even tell what is here. This is written as x times x. And this is written as minus 2 and x. This is written as minus and 1 and times x. This is written as 2 times 1, right? Good. So let's see what is here that is also here. X is here, x is here. So let me remove the x and remove the x. So what do I have? I have x out. Then I go again. So what is left here? X is left. What is left here? Minus 2 is left. So I close the brackets. That does it for that. So now I come to this place. This is minus and plus. Minus times minus is usually, minus times plus is a minus, so minus will come out first. So what is here that is also here? X is here, but x is not here. 1 is here, 1 is here, so 1 will come out. So when 1 goes out here, 1 goes out here, what remains here is going to remain x. Now what will remain here will be a minus, because minus times plus is a minus. And another thing is this, what you have here should look like here. That is how you prove that you're right. So this will have 2. So they are both looking like the same. Included is equals to 0. So this place should look like this. But actually, minus times plus is minus, and plus and minus times minus is minus. So this is what I have. So you're going to pick this and pick this together in a bracket. So this x is here and this minus 1 is here. And then since these two are the same, you pick just one. X minus 2 is equals to 0. So we're going to separate both with or. X minus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0. So if I remove the bracket, it's going to be x minus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0. So what is x? X is the same thing as what? When a minus 1 crosses a plus sign, additive inverse, actually you have plus 1, or x is equals to, this is minus 2, you cross a plus sign, or you do the additive inverse by adding plus 2. Plus 2 here, plus 2 here, you're going to have minus 2 will cancel minus 2, you have is equals to plus 2. So x is equals to 1 or 2. This is the value of x in this equation. I hope you learned something. I want to thank you. If you have any questions, put in the comment section. If you want to make a recommendation, you want to ask a question, please go ahead. But please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.